I have in front of me here the Manhattan Plaza HD-S2 Freesat receiver. Basically, it comes in this outer box here, and found inside that box is the following contents. So I'll just give a quick overview on Freesat first of all. The idea with Freesat, and the big advantage it has over free-to-air, is there's automatic channel updating. If there's a frequency change or a new channel becomes available, it automatically pops onto your box. And unlike standard free-to-air boxes that only give now and next, a Freesat box will give 7 or 8 days EPG into the future. Now there's also some great features that come in this particular box, such as the BBC player and ITV player, etc. But the one thing to note there, if you're outside the UK, these can be geo-blocked, so that can be a certain restriction for people. But let's just look at what comes inside the box here. We have a HDMI lead, it's 1.5 meters long. We have the remote control. We have an instruction manual and also a set of AA or AAA batteries here. And then we have the main feature here, which is the set-top box. So we'll just move through the set-top box here quickly. Just lean over the front here. Basically, we have a power button here, and we also have an up and down button as well. Okay, so very, very simple. Just means that if you lose the remote, you can still operate the box from this perspective. And if we just rotate the box around, it's very simple in terms of what we have here. I'll just keep this power lead out of the way. This of course comes with a 3-pin power plug. So you have a satellite input here, with an Ethernet connection here for connecting onto the net. And this is obviously very useful for the player services, etc. We have a USB port here, which you could use for updating software. We have a HDMI output. We have a digital optical output here, and we also have a Scart output. So obviously, if you have a high definition television, you'll use the HDMI output. If you have an older TV, you use the Scart. And then we have the power unit here, or the power unit is obviously built into this particular model. What's happened in recent times is that the cost of Freesat HD boxes has reduced greatly, where it's becoming a much more of a mass market item. So we've actually seen dramatic drops in the cost of the Freesat boxes, probably by 40 to 50% in the recent past. So this is suddenly a very, very attractive option in terms of the price difference between it and ordinary free-to-air boxes has narrowed greatly. I actually find Manhattan itself here is a great box. The return rates on it are very low, all the rest of it. I suppose the big disadvantage of it is the lack of PPR facilities on it. If you want to get something like that, looking at the Humax Freesat Plus with a built-in hard drive, etc., is more advantageous. But for what it does here, this at its particular price point is a very, very attractive receiver. So that's it anyway, an overview of the Manhattan Plaza HD-S2 Freesat receiver.